Recently, I picked up my Chevelle in Arizona. I hate to say it, but it's been stored there since 1980. And it's body off the frame, so I went over to get it out of my building. And I decided that as part of my video, I would stop at some cool places along the way. One of those was the Buckhorn Baths and Motel. It's on Highway 80 in Mesa, Arizona, and it was once a popular tourist destination. It opened clear back in 1936, and it had mineral baths that drew people from around the country, including celebrities, sports stars. They added a museum, a motel, a golf course, and it was built in a beautiful Pueblo Revival style. It's on the National Register of Historic Places, and this will be part of my entire video about picking up my car and later restoring it, right here on my channel.